These roots were half this size 7 days ago. What changed? A secret Japanese farmers have used for centuries that almost nobody in the West knows about. This right here, something you probably pour down the drain every day, can triple your plant's root growth in less than a week. No cost, no chemicals. Stick around because at the end I'll show you the before and after side by side. If your seedlings take forever to take off, if the roots look thin and weak, the problem isn't a lack of expensive fertilizer. It's missing the boost that fermented rice water gives the soil, and I'm about to show you exactly how to make it. You only need 3 things you already have at home: half a cup of raw rice, 1 liter of filtered water, and a glass jar. 1. Rinse the rice lightly and set the rinse water aside. This first water can already be used, but we're going to make it even stronger. 2. Soak the rice in 1 liter of water for 24 to 48 hours at room temperature, covered loosely with a cloth, not sealed. 3. Once the water turns cloudy white with a slightly sour smell, it's ready. 4. Dilute 1 part fermented rice water to 5 parts clean water. 5. Water the base of your plants twice a week. During fermentation, lactic acid bacteria multiply explosively in the water, the same microorganisms used in Korean and Japanese natural farming. They break down the rice starch, releasing sugars, B vitamins, and nutrients that are ready for immediate absorption. When you pour this into the soil, it's like giving the roots a protein shake. They get instant energy to expand, and the microbes even help protect against harmful soil fungi. Look at the difference. By day 3, you can already see firmer leaves. By day 7, look at the roots. The treated pot tripled its root volume compared to the untreated one. One important warning: don't use the water undiluted. Too much starch can attract fungus. And don't overdo it. Twice a week is enough. If you try this, let me know in the comments how many days it took to see a difference in your plants. And if you want more forgotten gardening secrets, hit subscribe. Living self-sufficiently. Grow more, spend less.